Good morning. I'm Yen Kit from the class of 1991 and 1992. We're the first batch of KTJ students in KTJ when it first opened in 1991. A fond memory of a time. There were so many, and it's hard to recall all of them, but it's been 30 years since I was in school. This year marks our 30th anniversary. I'm so glad to be back, even though in the midst of a pandemic. Memories of weekends going over to Mountain Town, to church. I was given the keys for the school van. I brought all the kids who wanted to go to church, to the Methodist and Catholic church. And we had lunch in Mountain Town at the hawker stores before coming back. So that was such a treat. Just be able to escape for a few hours on a Sunday morning. So I've been as part of the alumni since it founded in 1998. I was the president of the alumni from the year 2000 to 2009. And then I handed over to Mr. Gantushan, and thereafter the current president, Mr. Azlan. And we were invited, the alumni was invited to the school every year for speech days, career days, any officiating or openings, any significant events that they wanted outsiders to, especially alumni, to come and participate with the school. We used to have programs, even among alumni itself, in KL. If I'm not mistaken, our objective was to have at least one program every 2 months. So we at least met about 6 times a year, minimum. And we had a lot of involvement with the school. The main primary contact was the bursar, and of course some of the old teachers who taught me, who I understand are still here today. After 30 years, I think some of them have obtained their 30-year service medals. Congratulations to you, and a very good job of 30 years. Don't retire too soon. Hope to see you at 40. I wish to congratulate the Board of Governors of the school. I've known you since I was 17 when I first came, and you're still here today. Tuku Nakirin, Tuku Darnakia, Tuku Imran. Now we're good friends in KL. And you've done a great job. Your father's vision, I knew your late father, obviously. Tongu Jaffa was a visionary. And he wanted to build a boarding school in this estate called Stafffield. And your vision, being in boarding school in England, and you brought that culture back to Malaysia. And you've brought not only the culture, the lifestyle of British boarding education from, I think, our first principal, Mr. Lawrence Rimmer, who's from Eton. And I can see that the transformation of not only the school, but more importantly, the products of the school, which are the students who graduate from here and they go all corners of the globe. As part of alumni, we know a lot of them, and they're all very successful individuals who are very different from individuals who graduate from other schools in Malaysia. So I would say congratulations to the Board of Governors, the founders, for 30 years of unsurpassed excellence.